fabulous 239. Welcome to another vlog. So, I'm starting a couple days late on this vlog because it's just been another kind of sort of busy week. So, that's that, and it's only Wednesday. But anyway, I have a little update on the shorts. So here's that. I've started on the left side for the leg. I'm still trying to get this straightened out. I know it's a little bit crooked, but we will get there. And I was planning on doing it all in this multicolor before, but I ran out of that yarn. And right now I'm really trying to use the yarn that I have. And at some point I need to organize that yarn into some sort of bin or bucket or basket or something, because my current organizational system is just Hobby Lobby bags, and it's sort of gotten out of hand with the amount of yarn that I have. So I'm going to try to get it all in one place so that it's accessible and I don't have to look through 4 or 5 bags to find the yarn that I want to work with for the day or week. So that's what's happening. And as for today, what's on the agenda for my shop, I'm gonna make some more of these goldenrod scrunchies. I'm gonna try to learn how to make a granny square. I tried a couple times yesterday and I just kept messing it up. So my first attempt, I had a weird string somewhere and I just didn't really like that. And the second time it was making an oval, and I'm not sure how that happened. But last thing with the crocheting, I'm going to attempt to assemble this bag. I have all the pieces here. I need to iron this fabric and then stitch it on to this long piece here, and then stitch this together on the sides and add the strap. So I'll try to get that done. And yeah, I think that's all. Another update. This is another crochet shop thing. I'm gonna try to do some markets, and the coffee shop that I was working at. Yeah, so my last day was yesterday, and they are closing up shop on Monday. So I got a few free things for my market display. Yes, I got this display stand that I can put my scrunchies on. I got a little holder for my business cards, and I also got some little chalkboard signs that I can write the items and the prices on. So that's cool. And yeah, I believe that's everything I got. Oh, yeah, I also got chalk markers to go with the little pricing signs. So, yeah. That is all. Anyway, I'm gonna go work on my shorts and my bags and like all the things. So, I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Good evening, my fabulous 239. another vlog clip. So this is gonna be a short one, but I need vlog footage, and also I have an update on my first crochet bag for you guys. So yeah, before this clip, you probably saw some time lapses of my friend Liam and I ironing out the fabric for the lining of this bag. So we've gotten the fabric pinned down, and I've started stitching it on there. As you can, well, I don't know what shows up on camera right now, but you may or may not be able to see the pins that we have going around the piece. Now, as I make each stitch, I'm removing the pins. And yeah, so everywhere I have pins, I need to still do stitches. So I've gotten one side down, and I just need to do the other three. I don't think I'm going to finish it tonight, but I thought I would show you guys still. So that's how far I've gotten, and I'm going to go get ready for bed now. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good evening, my fabulous 239. Welcome to another vlog clip. So I did dinner shift at the retirement home tonight, but before I get my shower, this was my last day that I had to work this week. So before I get my shower, I'm gonna give you another update on the bag. So as you can see, I finished stitching on the lining, and I'm just stitching it up on the sides here before I go buy a zipper for this and attach the handle and or strap to the sides here. So yeah, that's a little update on that, and I'm gonna go get my shower and do captions after I finish filming. But well, that's it for this vlog. I hope you liked it. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want, you can check out my links in the description or by scanning the QR code at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and above all else, stay fabulous. Bye!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the